Odd recording spot again. This time I'm outside of the Eccles Science Learning Center because I just finished my lab and my lab happens in there technically. It's like one of the buildings that's connected to it, but yeah, I'm just gonna count it as part of Eccles. Alright, let's go over today. Woke up normal time. I stayed up too late again, so I had a hard time focusing during lectures. I definitely need to fix that very quickly because I'm going to start missing important stuff if that keeps happening. Math was... what was math? Not like too difficult to follow, but not fun either. After that I had work. It was a shorter shift, just from like 1 to 4, 3 hours. Had lunch there afterwards. Then I came up here and I did the lab. The lab is doing like two experiments at the same time, and then you take like the mass from before and after and use that to determine like the ratio of elements between the 2 points. Like you start with like the half that I did was copper and sulfur to make copper sulfate, and that was kind of a fun experiment to do because it would get really bubbling as it was just going, and like this black sulfur would leak over the edges and be on fire, and people would be like, is that what it's supposed to do? And I'd have to insert them that yes, they're doing it right, because the copper isn't escaping, it's just the sulfur. That's excess sulfur that isn't necessary to the experiment. But yeah, after we got the weight before and after the reaction, we used that to say, okay, here's how much the copper weighed, here's how much the end result of the experiment weighed. So now we can compare the ratio and figure out how many parts is the end result copper compared to everything else. That covers most everything of today. I'll probably get back, do lab homework, and then hopefully get to bed earlier today. I don't have like a lot planned tomorrow. I think I have like 1 meeting, but I'd like to get some stuff done tonight. It's still only like 8 o'clock. That being said, I'm going to stop here. I wish you all a lovely night. I love you all. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.